Reset. Rewind. RealFlight. Introducing RealFlight 6, the RC flight simulator that has been re-engineered to perfection. We have enlisted the services of top pilots to get their input on how we could enhance the feel and accuracy of RealFlight. And we're proud to say that RealFlight 6 has earned their stamp of approval. Major changes to the Heli Physics are among the first things you'll notice. Helicopter flight is reproduced as accurately as any simulator is capable of, even when the model is hitting the ground. Practice blade stop autos, climb rates, and roll rates. They're all perfectly modeled to replicate the aircraft they represent. Another RealFlight exclusive feature is the reset button. Push it and you're instantly ready for your next flight. RealFlight 6 also has Rewind. Just hold down the reset button to rewind your current flight and start flying again from any point. You can always count on having a wide variety of aircraft to fly on RealFlight, and RealFlight 6 is no exception. In fact, you get more than ever before. Besides the over 80 planes and helis with the RealFlight software, you also get a bonus Mega Pack with dozens more airplane or heli models. Here are a couple of new time-saving features that you'll appreciate. Say you want to load a new aircraft or flying site super fast. Just start typing the name and choices will instantly be displayed for you to choose from. And you can now make simple changes to your aircraft that will accurately reflect your RC model, with just a couple of keystrokes. The InterLink Elite controller in RealFlight 6 with the Heli Mega Pack also has some great new updates. The knob is now on the face of the controller, and the switch is on the top, where most heli pilots want throttle hold, and there is no ratchet on the throttle stick. RealFlight 6 has so much to offer, it's impossible to cover it all here. To find out more, visit the website at realflight.com. There you'll discover that RealFlight 6 is the only flight simulator that really is true to life.